In this video, we will show you how to set up and use Garmin's women's health features in the Garmin Connect app. To set up this feature, you will need the Garmin Connect app running on a compatible smartphone. In this video, we will use an Apple iPhone, but instructions are similar on Android smartphones. To set up women's health, start by opening the Garmin Connect app and accessing the menu by selecting More in the bottom corner. Select the three-line icon in the upper left on Android smartphones. Then select Health and Performance. Garmin Connect accounts whose gender is set to female or unspecified will see the Women's Health options. Select Menstrual Cycle. Now you will be able to begin setting up the feature. Select Get Started. You will fill out some basic information such as cycle type or if you are currently pregnant, the date you started your last period, and how long your period usually lasts. You will also select your typical cycle length and if you are using any hormonal contraceptives. Select Finish once you've completed the full setup. If you need to change any of your settings, select the three-dot icon in the upper right and then select Settings. Here you can see and adjust any of the women's health settings.